Welcome to 1435 Lorette Lane in Northbrook, Illinois. This modern home was built in the 1960s, but the original wood siding had begun to decay and needed to be replaced, as well as the windows and doors. At Siding and Windows Group, our design consultants take their time to carefully craft the ideal design for their clients. In addition, our construction crew are masters at their trade and do an excellent job of bringing the final designs to life. In this project, the client selected the color Mississippi Mud from the James Hardie Dream Collection to replace the old wood siding. We also replaced the old windows with Marvin Elevate windows and the front door with a contemporary-looking Provia door. Working with Siding and Windows Group completely altered the appearance of this home. The homeowners not only adored the finished product, but they also loved how affordable our rates were, which gave them the confidence in their decision to work with us. For more information on how Siding and Windows Group can transform your home, please contact us to schedule your design consultation today.